Hi guys, welcome back in my channel. Today I'm here with new vocabulary words, and these all are the words you can use it in your daily routine also, and this is also you can get your English perfect. And now, before starting this video, if you are new on this channel, then please do subscribe this channel, and also if you want to do free speaking with me, then again you need to subscribe my channel. Then please now let's get started without wasting your time. Very first word is wobbled. Wobbled means to move or proceed with an irregular rocking or unstanding or unsteadily and clumsy from side to side. So like sometimes you hold a phone and it's just slipped from your hand. That is called a wobbled situation. Okay, so now moving forward to the next one is leaned out. So leaned out to incline or bend from a vertical position, like someone is putting their head out of the window and lean out and look down. That is called lean out. Okay, means bend. And next is invade. Invade is enter, but this enter is not the enter same which we always use. That this enter means enter of an armed force, like in the war people are using this word for war, like invade. Like kings, they fought earlier in the centuries and then invade. Invade means enter forcefully in the other country. So this is used in over there. Next is squeezed her eyes, means looks or looking with chase eyes, like when you are squeezing your eyes and try to figure out is he trying to say truth or not. So next is squinted her eyes. Squinted means looking or tending to look, right, very with very small eyes, like when you sometimes when you start reading and you are making your eyes so and the words were so small and you squint your eyes, make it a small size to clear, to make your visual clear. That's all. And next one is snuggle. Snuggle is settle or move into a warm or comfortable position. Eyelid growing heavy. Eyelids growing heavy means drooping eyes or very sleepy. When you are say, oh, I'm very sleepy, that's called eyelids growing heavy. And next is squeal. Squeal is yell, scream, or shriek or high pitched sound when someone is calling with you or their high volume. So that's called squeal. And next one is thrilled. Thrilled is feeling or showing a great excitement or pleasure. Next is tubed out. Tubed out means to walk somewhere in a large group. And craned. Crane means to stretch one's neck towards an object of attention. And next is scoff, means mockery. And spiffy. Spiffy means stylish, attractive, or pleasing. Instead of say spiffy, you can also use that word in your sentences like she got a spiffy haircut, means stylish or attractive or pleasing haircut. Next is cluster. Cluster means a group of similar things or people positioned or occupying closely together. Next is illuminated. Illuminated means lit with bright light. And next is exosphere. Exosphere means the outermost region of a planet's atmosphere. And next is bolted down. This is next, last but not least, the word for today. And this is bolted down. Bolted down when the chairs bolt with the wall or on the floor. Sometimes you see that in the theaters, the chairs are joined together with each other through the bolts. That's called bolted with each other. Then if it is bolted on the floor, then you can say the chair is bolted on the floor. This is all the words today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also share with your friends. Thank you. And also don't forget to subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends. And also if you want to do free speaking, then try to subscribe this channel. Bye bye.